Well, currently our app has problems in the sense that every time you restart our app, actually it starts with this three slides, which we should not have, because once I log in, and after logging in, we go to our application page or home page. So this is the page, well, this is the page that we want to show to the user after logging in. It doesn't matter how many times you restart. So, but you see, if I restart now, it will go back there once again. Everything starts from there. But this is wrong because I have already logged in. So how do I avoid this problem? Now, for this scenario, there are many different ways to do that. So this time, would solve this problem using something called middleware. So here I have this common folder. Inside this I have a folder which is called middleware. Now here I have a file which is called middleware route welcome middleware. So this is the file that we're going to use to redirect to the user directly to this application page rather than this boot up page or the sliding 3 pages. Okay, now we are going to use Getx to solve this problem because Getx itself has middleware. So first you need to create a class on your own and then just extend get middleware. That's it. Now over here you have to override a variable which is called priority. In general we'll set it to 0, but you can change it later. Then you also have to call the constructor, whatever the class you use, and then we have to override another method which is called redirect. So middleware in general helps you to redirect to different pages. Now remember earlier we have seen that we can remember if the app has been opened first time or not. If the app just installed first time, that means this value is false, and we have seen that before. So is first open, the default value is false. So first time app runs, so this would be false, so it won't do anything because this is the first time app is being booted. But we know that the second time if the app has been launched, so this value is not false, so this is set to true over here. We have seen that before. So we have this method that's get called from somewhere, and then we set it to true. So next time someone opens this app, so this onInit gets called and this is true. So if this is true, of course it doesn't fall to this category or condition. Now here actually we do the checking if the user has logged in or not. So just now I show you that even if I log in and reboot our app, I still see this. So next time if I reboot app or launch my app, I would still be logged in. So in this redirect method, actually we can check this. So if the user has logged in, that definitely is a true. And if it is a true, then we can just directly go to our application page or home page or dashboard page like that. Now if you want to see what is this, actually we have seen this early. So user store is login. First time it is false, but user already logs in somewhere from somewhere, then this value becomes a true. Or we have also seen it before, like over here, save profile, we also set it to true once the user logs in. So in redirect method, you have to do this kind of conditional check and then redirect the user to a certain page. So in middleware, all you need to do, just do different kind of conditional check, and based on that you redirect your user to different pages. Now this is already here, so all we need to do, we need to go ahead and call this class. And where to call it from? From our route. So this is our route over here. So as we welcome our user using this welcome page over here, we could do middlewares. Okay, so as you can see, get page has a property which is called middleware. It takes list of pages. Now here we can just simply call route welcome middleware, this one, and here we'll set priority to 1. You can set it anything. because we just have only one middleware for now, so it doesn't matter. All right, so now we'll restart our app and we'll see that this page is gone because the user has already logged in. So user would be already logged in. Let's do that. So as you see, this time if we restarted the app, it doesn't show us the boot up page. But if you take it down, comment it, you'll see that it takes you to this page. So that's the beauty of middlewares in Flutter. And Getx provides a very easy solution how to build your middleware. So yeah, our app is already working with middlewares. Beautiful.